Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step process on how to open Hargreaves Lansdown UK bank savings account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for hl.bank.uk, then you're going to click on the link. So this is their official website. We're going to click on join HL on the top right corner. So this is how it presents. So you're going to choose an account which you want to open. So I chose the open an active savings account there. Next they're going to show you the eligibility criteria and how to get started. So once you guys confirm what you have, you're going to click on open an account as a new client if you're a new client. If not, you can log in. So you're going to attach your personal details here. You're going to fill out the form, your house number, your phone number, your postcode, as well as your national insurance number. If you're a US citizen or not, then your personal data. Then you can click on open an active savings account. So once you do this, your recordings will be saved and you're going to proceed to the account options. Then once you're done with that, you're going to finish. So this is how you open the account. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.